Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel RJ Crafts. I am RJ, you are watching RJ Crafts. Today I am gonna show you this pattern, how to crochet this beautiful pattern, and easy, super easy for beginner. It's pretty good for all projects. You can make baby hat, any hat, scarf. It's pretty good pattern for hat and scarf. So easy, even beginner can make or learner can learn on this pattern. So I will show you step by step. I hope you will enjoy this pattern. So viewers, let's start. I'm gonna show you very simple pattern for scarf, hat, so many things you can make. 1, 2, this pattern multiple 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So any even number make. You can. I'm gonna continue with this row with single crochet. Sorry. I'll show you at the end. Viewers, I am at the end, last stitch. This is so easy. So I have 19 single crochet. So make chain 1, yarn over very first stitch. I'm gonna make half crochet, then next make single crochet, yarn over next stitch, make half crochet, then single crochet, half crochet, then single crochet, half crochet, then single crochet, half double crochet, then single crochet, half, then single, then half, then single, half, then single, half, then single, then at the end again half. So start with half, finish with half double crochet. Okay, chain 1, make 1 row with single crochet. Okay, this is so easy pattern for beginners, easy and simple pattern for learner. Just a stitch, don't miss any stitch. Each stitch, make single crochet, so pretty. Chain 1, make half double crochet, then 1 single, 1 half, then one single, one half double crochet, then one single, one half, one single, one half, one single, one half, then one single. So continue like this your project until your project end. Half, single, half, single, and one half. So easy pattern. I made small because this is so easy and simple pattern for learner, and it's so pretty as well. I hope you will love this pattern. So again, single crochet row, I made chain one, very first stitch, so continue like this. So viewers, this is not complicated. So turn, yarn over, half double, single, again half double, then single, then half double, single, half double, single, half double, then single, half double, single, half double, single, half double, single, half double, single, at the end, half double. So again single crochet row. So you can see how pretty this pattern. Again, sorry, single crochet row, so always one single crochet row, one row with half double and single, So I hope you will love this pattern. I'll show you at the end. So viewers, I'm gonna stop my video because it's so easy pattern. That's why I made very small swatch. So no point to make big because it's so easy. It's pretty good for blanket, scarf, hat. Very nice pattern for lots of project. So lovely. One single crochet row, one row, just like one single one, no, first one half double crochet, then one single, then half double crochet, then one single, one row, like that. It's so pretty. I hope when you make it, it's so lovely. So if you like it, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.